My friends, Coach V, welcome to day 25 by popular request. Going to do another chair yoga flow, a nice short one, basic beginner, anyone who wants to get a stretch. If you sit a lot during the day, you sit or stand, this is perfect for you. Today's random question, let us know below. Do you prefer Woody or Buzz? My son requested that I ask you that. Woody or Buzz? Let us know below. All right, sitting on your chair, shoulders back and down. Let's do some shoulder rolls. Do these any time during the day. Sitting down, push back from your desk and loosen up your body. Give it some blood flow. Give it some life, darn it. Give it some life. Okay, you like my sidewalk? I had to get a permit to use this today. Let's do one at a time. Roll it up and back. Lots of breath. Feet are flat on the ground. You could be barefoot. I recommend that. Get that nice connection with the earth, or in this case, the Fuskengatsona, the sidewalk. Let me scooch up a little bit. All right, 2 more times each side. A little twist. We did this a week ago too, the first chair yoga. You can always go back to that one for reference. All right, take that right foot. We're going to point it and flex it. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm going to point and flex. You can have it up here or put it down on the ground. I'm going to have it up here. You can put it on the chair or lace the fingers on the bottom. Point and flex. I imagine the first time you did that, the first couple, there was a lot of sounds, a lot of crunches. That's what it does. Now, let's circle. Even if you're sitting a lot, the ankles, the feet, they get very complacent. They can atrophy in a way. So then all of a sudden you jump up and move somewhere. They're not ready for that. So other direction. Nice to keep the movement there. Wiggle the toes. May not even think about the feet. Really? Coach Vigue, I don't understand. Why are we doing feet? And I say, trust me. All right, other side. Point, flex. Shoulders back and down. Don't forget to get me those TPS reports. That's a good one, isn't it? Point, flex. My sister is sitting over there on my porch having a glass of wine. I was trying to entice her to come over here, but she's happier over there. All right, circle the ankle, wiggle the toes. Let the crunchies commence. And other direction. Woody or Buzz, huh? That's a tough one. That's like saying Laurel or Hardy, Martin or Lewis. Okay, shake it out. And take the hands on the legs. We're gonna circle around. I love this one. So we round back and then press the chest forward as you go forward. So look at this, open up the chest and then pull back. Exhale forward, inhale back. Might be my favorite. Grinding and moving the core, getting blood flow. So we circle, 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 and then other direction. Let me know if there's someone coming behind me. I have some weird neighbors. Around. This isn't weird. This is beautiful out here. Right in the sun. Around. One more time. Circle around. Excellent. Now lace the fingers together behind you. Drop the shoulders back, the mudra. You can also bring your palms together. And let's dip the chin and roll the head side to side, shoulder to shoulder. Relax your jaw, let the mouth be slightly open. Okay. And release, take the arms up. We have cactus arms again, opening, opening big. Now bring your foot up to the chair. This is an add-on from last time. We're gonna grab this leg and twist this way. Twist, shoulders back and down. And twist to the other side. Hand on the chair. You'll find a way, trust me. That is marvelous. Other foot, bring it up. Twisting. And other side. How you doing? Okay. Bring the arm to the inside of the leg. Hi, Kim.
Hi, Sean.
She, of course, is watching my videos on her phone on the porch because that's what we do. Okay, now take that ankle on top of the thigh. Either one is fine. Press down with this hand and reach up and over, side bend. Ooh. And then other side, grab the chair. If you're fancy and have an arm on your chair, put your hand on the arm. One more time each side. Feel free to practice these as much as you wish throughout the day. Let me know below if it makes a difference, if it makes a positive difference. Other side. Nice for the hip and the glute. Just great. All right. See these wrists? Move the wrists. Fingers. You type a lot. You typing on your laptop. Getting tightness in the wrists and the fingers. Feeling stiff. Other direction. Simple movement right here. Little wrist circles. Wiggling the fingers. Breathing. Put on some, wrist circling music. Probably In Excess or Dean Martin. That'd be good. And I tried that, Sean. It didn't work. All right, let's do one more here. Lace your fingers in the back of your head and lift up and back. If you want, bring the elbows towards each other. Nice stretch for the triceps. Three more breaths. Back bend. You must counteract the rounding of the shoulders, the hunching forward that we all do when we work on our desks, on our laptops, on our computers, on our phones, whatever it is. We round forward. We collapse our breathing, we collapse our posture and our energy and our blood flow. So open up. All right, cactus arms, open. Once again, I say the word open a lot, but don't you love that word? It's better than close it up. Cinch it up, close it up. Okay, give yourself a hug, arms across, and twist. I like this one. I didn't plan this one, but it feels right. It feels so good, doesn't it? It feels so right or wrong. Twisting, twisting, stretching the shoulders, the upper back. And I recommend twist anytime you can. Rotational movement. And boom. Give yourself a big hug. Hi. Got a little gator over there. Two more breaths. After you do this, get back to work, but I guarantee you'll have much more focus, better breath, and better precision with what you're doing. Cactus arms once more. All right, my friends, chair yoga. You want more chair yoga? Let me know in the comments. And of course, the big question is, Woody or Buzz? Buzz or Woody? If you don't know who I'm talking about, I guess look it up or go to Disney. You might find it at Disney. What a good time we had. You enjoying these workouts? Subscribe, like, comment, share, click the notification bell. I'm a little sleepy today. I just put my son down for a nap and he had a category 5 meltdown. So actually that hug, that's what reminded me of it, because I sat in the chair with him and I just hugged him and I rocked him and I talked to him nicely while he was just tornadoing and hurricaning and blowing everywhere. And then got him in the bed, little guy, rubbed his back for a while and he fell asleep. God bless him. So there's the hug right there. See, it's functional. All right, my friends, see you tomorrow. See you next time. Keep coming back, keep stretching. Always remember, find out who Woody and Buzz are.
All right, what do you think?